A blessing for unity where once there was division. May the love that can be born between people find its way through the fear. May the sense that when together, more can be achieved than when stubbornly apart. Melt away the fences and walls that hold us from each other. Let us live and let live, give and take, share and receive, and come to an understanding. And let none of us involved in the bringing together of separate parties set alight that bridge. Instead, let us quietly, surely and with intentions, matching actions build the way to reach each other once again. United, so much can be done. We can raise each other up, and as you do, each of you who brings your heart to this task of healing will stand firm upon the solid ground you are now building. Unity is yours, friend. Blessed be.